programming can cause so many issues with game development, and my code is not any better. The last thing you want to do when building such a large project is bring unnecessary complexity. For example, this pupil manager is responsible for changing Jerry's eyes, and deciding when to update them and for how long. It can cycle between his normal, joyful, and all of his other eyes. Any object can suggest a change through this method. However, if we look at the sending side of the transaction, it is very poorly developed. Why is this not an enumerator? In other words, I can use clear, readable names to reference a pupil instead of numbers. So instead of saying something like, I want pupil 4, which doesn't make any sense, I can instead say, I want the angry pupil instead. And these kinds of issues do come up quite a lot. And to shame myself a bit more, I made a video supposedly fixing the booster pad issue where Jerry would be launched forever. A user by the name of Nessus suggested I instead just make the boosters fire once per movement, which is a significantly better solution to the one I came up with. And these problems crop up all the time, and I plan to fix this spaghetti as soon as possible, because